Let's talk checkpoints. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys. And today we're going to talk checkpoints. But before we do that, I'd like to thank all our new subscribers. We appreciate you being here. And if you haven't subscribed and you're seeing that and you'd like to help us hit our 100 subscriber mark by the end of April, jump down and hit that subscribe button. We're also shooting for a goal, because as of right now, we need 27 more subscribers for 27 likes on this video and at least 27 comments. So, guys, throw those down on the bottom and help us out. All right, guys, so let's get right into this. We have our checkpoints back. We will get into what they said to us. Let me jump this out and show you. And we are able to jump back in and do checkpoints. And along with this today, we have an official response from Checkpoints on how many devices you can have with them. So you can see, guys, we're back into there. That's what I wanted to show you there. We are going to go ahead and dump out of that. Anyway, guys, what we did is we shot off an email after they banned our account, wanting to know why, and wasn't perfectly nice about it. You know, I told them I didn't think it was very professional, kind of like we talked about in the last video. And if you haven't seen that, I'll throw that link up in the top right. But anyway, they came back with a response of this here. That basically it was a glitch. It was a mistake. They didn't mean to do it. And so they apologized and they gave us 300 points. Now, did they give us 300 points? Honestly, I don't know, because I don't remember exactly how many points we had when we did it. But I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt and assume they did do that, since they said they were going to. Now, did they do enough? We were down for like 2 weeks. We, didn't have any, week to 2 weeks, something like that, where, it wasn't running. It's what it is. There's not much we can do about that, but they did unban the account after their apology. Kind of cool. At least they apologized, said hey, they messed up, and that, they tried to at least do something for it in return. Now, in the meantime, from there to there, I had a comment saying that they had dropped down to 1, and I think it was EP. I'm sorry, I don't remember. I'm just kind of vaguely remembering that comment. So, but it said, well, that someone else had talked about this and that they got their account bad because they're going down to 1 device. Well, guys, I will tell you that is absolutely not the case. They are not going down to 1 device. But let's explain how this works. So we will. Let's pull up this here, where we sent out an email back to them and told them through the rumor mill that we heard that they were going down to 1 device, and per their last email said that we could, last time I spoke to them over a month ago, that we could have up to 10 devices per account. Each account had to have its own US number and texting, and they confirmed that and said that was fine. And so I went through the terms of service again to check this, and there was nothing in their terms of service, or I couldn't find anything in their terms of service stating the number of devices. And I actually showed you that in the last video that we went through and searched by device, and there was nothing in there about the number of devices. But I went ahead and sent them a message on this, as you can see on the screen anyway, about how many devices and, what can we do here? Well, guys, it turns out it's unlimited. You can have as many devices as you want. Now, don't jump off and go do this yet. Stay with me. Stay with me. Don't leave. I know you're getting excited. You're going to go put 50 phones on checkpoints. Don't do that yet. It is unlimited, but there is a catch. Yep, there's a big catch. Okay, guys. You can have a limited number of devices per IP per household. Doesn't matter. So here is the catch, though, guys. You can have an unlimited number of devices, but you can only have 1 device per account. And each device must have its own phone number and texting service. So even though per IP you can have as many devices as you so choose, each account can only have one device, and each account must have a valid US phone number and a valid texting application in order for you to do that. So take it as you will, and yes, I know there are many ways that you can circumvent this and get around it. I mean, they've already jumped through all of our discussions through here, but, you know, leave that for another video if you want to do that. And we'll talk about that in another video, what you could do. Anyway, guys, it's unlimited. You can do as many per account, but you can only have one device or per household, per IP. You can have as many devices as you want, but you can only have one device per account with a good phone number and good texting. So, yeah, it's half one dozen the other, guys. How do you go? Is farming, I mean, does this kill the phone farm for checkpoints? Are you really going to be able to phone farm with checkpoints, having to have service, basically having to have service on each device? I don't know. Like I said, there's some ideas I got rolling around in my head, and once I wrap them out, we can talk about those. Maybe that'd be a good topic for a live discussion, but this would be something great for you guys to throw your comments down the bottom. And what do you think? Is checkpoints done for phone farming? I mean, yeah, you can have one phone, definitely. Maybe 2 or 3, depending on how many people you got with phones. I mean, I can think of, 3 or 4 for us with valid phones and whatnot. But are we going to be able to get back to that 10? And they're going to be on their own account. So it means all the points are going to roll separately, kind of like with like app trailers, things like that. So, what do we do here, guys? What do you guys think is the next step? What should we do? Don't know. Now, I do want to say, guys, I was going to try to get this out real early for you. If it all goes well, maybe I'll have this out Friday. If not, it will be Saturday. We will not miss that deadline. But anyway, didn't make as early as I was hoping to, even though we got some responses and editing and all that good fun stuff. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching. Let me know what you guys think on this. I don't know where my opinion lies. I know we'll run one phone anyway, and then we'll kind of see how that works from there. If you're going to follow or are you going to follow their terms of service? Are you going to do just one per, or are you going to run the risk of getting your account banned and keep doing 10? Interesting question. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think. From there, remember, the day's what you make it. Let's make it a good one.